students, welcome back. Now today we'll continue with this is the part 3 of our chapter number 2, that is man's relationship with animals. In my previous videos I have explained to you the chapter A Secret of Two, right? So it was a story about a horse and named Joseph and his master Pierre and their secret. Okay, and in the last session we completed with the question answers. So today we will begin with activity number 5. So what does it state? Study the table and learn how verbs are formed by adding appropriate suffixes. ये टेबल को स्टडी करके हमें लर्न करना है वर्ब्स कैसे फॉर्म होते हैं बाय एडिंग अप्रोप्रिएट सफिक्स. सफिक्स इज मतलब अ वर्ड विच इज़ एडेड एट द एंड. प्रीफिक्स मतलब जो पहले यूज़ होता है, सफिक्स मतलब जो एंड में यूज़ होता है. ठीक है. सो इफ़ द वर्ड इज़ शार्प और वाइड द सफिक्स यूज्ड इज en. ओके, n. So the verb becomes sharpen or widen. Now sharpen means to make something sharp, widen means to make something wide. So material plus ISE becomes materialized, or you can use IZE. Okay, both of them sound eyes. Okay, so material becomes materialized and central becomes centralized. Now this means to make something modern. Okay. Now the next word is simple and pure. The suffix to be added is IFY. So simple becomes simplify and pure becomes purify. So the meaning of this is to make something simple, to make something pure. Bath, you have to add an E, it becomes bathe, which means to take a bath. Breath, you add a E, it becomes breathe, that means to take a breath, सांस लेना. ठीक है. Complete the paragraph with the appropriate words for the following expressions. तो यहाँ पे आपको वर्ड के वर्ब मीनिंग्स दिए गए. यू हैव टू राइट द वर्ब इन द blanks. Okay, so first let us write what these means. To make pure, what will to make pure be in verb form? It can be purify, right? So this will be purify. I'm just giving you ideas. Okay, to make modern, it will be modernize, right? Materialize nahi, modernize. Okay, so this is modernize. Okay, then to make beautiful, that is to make something beautiful will be, think about it, beautify. Okay, it will be beautify. Doubt if I can say. Okay, this is beautify. Understood till here? To take a bath means, take a bath will be bathe, right? Take a bath is bathe. Will become bathe. Okay, to put things into category, it will be categorized. Okay, understood till here? Now since we have the words, now let's start writing. Okay, a new township is being set up here. They will blank it with plants and trees. They will, क्या आएगा इसमें, ब्यूटिफाइड. सो यू कैन राइट ब्यूटिफाई ओवर योर. ओके, दे विल ब्यूटिफाई इट. द प्लांट्स एंड ट्रीज विल डैश द एयर. द प्लांट्स एंड ट्रीज विल, व्हाट विल द प्लांट्स एंड ट्रीज डू द एयर? प्यूरिफाई. सो यू कैन राइट प्यूरिफाई. ओके, understood? The organizers have blanked the buildings. What have they done to the buildings? They have categorized. Okay, they have categorized the building. Okay, they will also blank the water system. What will the answer be here? They will also modernize. Okay, they will also modernize the, you can write SE also and you can write ZE also. Okay, water system. They are planning to erect a swimming pool where we will be able to swim, and what will be the answer here? Bathe. Okay, understood this exercise? Now let's move to activity number 6. Fill in the blanks with the appropriate words. Now you have to fill in the blanks using appropriate words. Okay, so you have been, You fill in the blanks with appropriate verbs. So you have been given words in the bracket, you have to write the verb form of that. The streets of the city are being blank, and the word given to you is wide. So what will your answer be over here? Widened. Very good. So your answer will be widened. Okay. Do not speak so loudly, blank your tone. So what is the answer over here? Soften. Do not speak loudly, soften your tone. Okay. I might write the answers on the side. Okay. They could not dash, he was blind for years. Belief. What will the verb form of belief be? Believe. Very good. It will be believe. They could not believe that he was blind for years. Nobody blanked Joseph's death as much as Pierre. Nobody grieved. Grief will become grieved. Okay. Joseph's death blanked Pierre's life forever. What will be the verb form of dark? Darkened. It will be darkened. Okay. Jacques blank Pierre to take the day off. Advice will be advised. Okay. Your answer will be advised. Everyone blank the old man's death. Everyone, sympathy will be sympathized. Okay. So you will write sympathized over here. Sympathized. Okay, wait. Sympathized. Okay. Now this story this story blank love between animal and man. The word is symbol, so it becomes symbolizes. Okay. Joseph's death blank Pierre. Horrible will become horrified, right? So you can write horrified. I am writing over here. Okay. Horrified. The warning yell of the truck blank the old man. It will become terrified. Okay. Terrible is terrified. I hope you all have understood how to make verbs out of these words. Okay. Now let's move to activity 7. Pick out the appropriate expression for the underlined words or phrases in the following sentences. So आपको underlined word या phrase दिया है, आपको इनमें से कौन सा उसका meaning है, ठीक है, आपको ये बताना है. ठीक है. The horseman was run over by a truck. The truck driver said, I could not help. So here you've been given the meaning. I could not help. Which one of these phrases it is? I was unable to save him. I regret I have killed him. I believe I was not in the wrong. It is I was unable to save him. Okay. Now second one. Pierre used to say that he didn't need reins. Pierre used to say that he didn't need reins. The horse required no control. The horse could do without reins, or the horse who went out of his control. The answer is the horse could do without reins. Okay. Now let's move forward. Maybe maybe you have the gout. Okay. So he was sure that Pierre suffered from gout. He thought Pierre suffered from gout. He thought Pierre might develop gout in future. The answer will be B. He thought Pierre suffered from gout. Okay. His salary will go on just the same. His salary will continue as usual. His salary will be raised. His salary will be reduced. It is his salary will continue as usual. Okay. Last one. He saw something which startled him. Surprised, worried, or saddened. Which one is it? Surprised. Okay. Understood? With this we complete today's session. We will continue with the rest of the activities in our next class. Thank you. Take care.